All my life, all my life, all my life. Oh, I've been searching. All my life I felt broken and neglected, searching for someone who could accept me as I am. Night after night I cry myself to sleep, wishing someone would come and rescue me. I just wanna be free from this pain and misery. I wish someone could truly see me, see the loneliness, see the emptiness sitting heavy in my heart. So many times I wondered if life was worth living. The question why keeps circling in my mind, whispering that maybe I'd be better off gone. When will things finally turn out right? I'm so close to giving up the fight. Here comes the storm again, blowing every hope away. Lord, deliver me, I need you today. I keep trying to hold on, I'm holding on, yeah. I place my trust in you, dear Lord, but part of me still wants to hide. You know my pain, the struggle of standing in the summer rain. I'm trying to be strong, but I don't know how long I can keep holding on. I feel so alone, walking through the summer rain, trying not to lose my mind. I don't wanna be alone. No, I don't, no, I don't. No, I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't. This is how I feel, and these feelings are real. We never truly know the battles others face, so the weight they carry in silence. So reach out and show somebody love today. Send a ray of sunshine that way. Be the one who helps save a life, the one who helps